Hello. Today in this video we will find out how to script our own future ourselves. So this is the course about programming, but not only the software, but also hardware and lifeware. So the course that script your own future yourself with the help of ChatGPT, of course. And where we start from the programming, and I have experience more than 20 years of programming, and I understand that today with the ChatGPT or other large language models, programming is completely different. So I will share my knowledge how to quickly learn programming and implement this in own life to make yourself owner of the program of your life, of the script. So for me, programming is implementing scripts in own life. If we're talking about software development, then this is the implementing scripts in the computer to produce something in my life to earn some money, for example, or optimize some process. So what is this? It looks like just a plan for the dinner, program for the evening program, right? So did you write something before? If so, then you are already a programmer, because this is exactly the program how it works in the computer. In the computer, we have scenarios. They are named scripts. And these scenarios run with the another scenarios to present the information on the screen or in the audio. So these are all the programs, and now we see the program of our evening, and if it succeeds, then this program is working. So it's a real example of working program, but many people don't even understand that they are already programmers. The same here, the program of the concert. Also, all these concert directors, promoters, they are programmers. If they have done already some kind of programs, of concert programs, and implementing them in real life. Here also the program of my family, the family tree, and if we already written or we would like to write this, right? So if you wish to write your tree of your family, you will be able to do this soon. With this video, we will practice all of these three examples of programs into one software example. Like we will write three scripts for ChatGPT to write scripts to run them on the computer to see how it works in real life. And it's faster than ever before to program today with large language models. So we go back to the first slide, because now we script our future ourselves, implementing this example of day planner, and we will write with the help of ChatGPT the day planner application. I think in 5 minutes we will have a completely working application, right? Do you believe in this, right? So impossible few years ago, impossible. And what do we need to do? We need to use ChatGPT. I use 4.0. Yeah, Probably 3.5 and free version also works fine with this, but I do have a possibility to use this one. Hello, can you help me with the programming? Okay, I need an application with the ability to manage my daily plan by adding, editing, deleting events with the time. Example here. So what we can see he's writing the Python code, and the Python is not really good for us because then we need to use some kind of Python, we should install something and so on and so on. So we ask ChatGPT, can you write an application that I can run in my browser without installing any other software? So really, I'm not programming right now, or do I? Yeah, because here I just write scenarios what I need and how I need to do this. And I can see that here is the complete application written by ChatGPT. And I want all of this in one file because I don't want to split into files, because sometimes it requires to set up a server like Nginx or Apache, if you don't know, but that's just names of the servers, so there are plenty of them. And so what we need is to copy this, paste in our English version, because I have the original version of this course in Ukrainian. And in Ukrainian, it's a very interesting language. They're very old and older than Russian, because Russia started from Ukraine, from the Kiev Rus, uh, which started in the Kiev. So here, what I need is uh, to create like day planner, just a file. So I need to remain day planner HTML, and I just paste the code, from the ChatGPT, 148 lines of the code. How? What do you think? How long would it take the programmer to type such application without the help of the ChatGPT, right? So, how many hours? So let's see. What we need. We just need to copy the URL or path of this file, and we see such a nice daily planner application already here, right? So let's see. We have a dinner. Oh, nice dinner. Okay, we have a, what do we have? A cartoon. Great. We have a sleep time, right? So dreaming time. Okay, let's say we would like to wake up in the morning. In Ukraine, this is quite kind of the problem right now. And as you can see, the wake up is at the end. So we need to amend the application to make it work properly. So we didn't really code anything, right? We just copy the complete file without any mistake. It's working application written by ChatGPT with my custom instruction. And let's see how can ChatGPT improve it, right? So what we need to sort the items by time. Okay, we just write here, him or her or it. Sort the items, the events by time. What else? What else do we need? What else do we need? We need to be sure that it's saved in the memory, and it's not saved. Save the events in the memory. Save the events in the memory. So, and you see the speed of the implementing the the changes. It's like impossible to understand how it's possible, right? Okay, so this is what we need to learn from the language models, because the language models are very simple in how they behave, how they find the information, and this mechanism or algorithm is very similar how our brain works. But our brain is not really focused on the information how it's done with the ChatGPT, because we lie ourselves too much. We are not fair with ourselves. So this is the problem. Okay, let's see. I already saved, I think, and we can open this file again. Set, but we need to again add the information. Dinner. Okay. Cartoons, like long dinner, cartoons and short cartoons, and sleep time, and wake up. Great. So what we need to check, we just need to close this file and open again, and we see it's working. Is great. Also the edit function works like this. It's not so good really, but it's okay. It's like application, working application. We can delete, we can save. Nice. So in 5 minutes we've done the complete working application I can use. If I would like to improve it a little bit, I can do this with ChatGPT without any code written by my hands, really. Just copy paste, right? So it's sane or insane, yeah, such a possibility. So let's continue. This was the first application, and here is the next application, a little bit improved. The application, okay, good job, good job, good job, good job. Okay, so the next application I need is a concert planner with the item structure, time, artist, and a link to the website. So in seconds, like we receive the answer with hundreds of words, with this very strict structure, working without errors, without anything, in just seconds. Do you believe it? And I'm using it. So just subscribe and see how can you use it in your real life, because you can solve a lot of problems just to adapt your mind to your nature way of working, and this is the way how the ChatGPT works. We just do not use our brain as we could or can. So, okay, concert planner. I create the file concert planner HTML. I paste here the application. I copy the path of the file and enter here. Concert planner. Okay, so let's start. Metallica official website. Metallica.com. Pam pam pam. YouTube. Maybe test. Maybe yes. Maybe also youtube.com. Yeah. youtube.com. Good. And Bon Jovi. bonjovi.com. Okay. So it seems working for me, right? So it's a little bit different application, but similar, still similar. Similar to Celis. I like these guys. They are great, yeah. Oh, okay, it doesn't matter, just Spotify link. And it works, and the website is working, and information, it's my mistake, information is saved, is storing. So it just easy and seems to me great. Let's continue with the next application. Grandparents, parents, and children, and this is completely different. Write me and a great job. Yeah, okay, great job. Uh, Write me an application to draw the family tree with the example of the Harper's family from the series of Two and a Half Men. Okay, so this is very short description as a task, right? And it understands much better than most people when you work in IT. It's just FSOM. Evelyn Harper, Charlie Harper, Alan Harper, Jake Harper. Okay, seems good. It works with SVG to create such application. And okay, we copy. We create a file. How can I name it? It's already named here. Family program. Okay. Let's see how it works. Have some. Yeah, I cannot move it, right? But anyway, it's F-sum. Let's improve it a little bit. Add the wives. So I just wrote 3 words. as a change, right? And it understands it completely. So it added Chelsea to Charlie Harper and Judith to Ellen Harper. So yeah, and the rest I think the same, but we need to copy it, paste it, and again, yeah, it added not the way I would imagine, but anyway, it's it's also the solution, and there's also an application that was written in few seconds. So what the continue of all of this with this course, and this was just an example how quickly today we can write an application. And this is what I would like to share as a knowledge with you, to be able to program any script or to structure the issue you deal with, split it or divide it into small and simple scripts to understand where is the solution. So this is the course about the programming. Even if you didn't know about programming anything before today, but now I think you understand that you already programmer if you programmed a little, at least your one evening. So programming is not so complicated, and what I see that the future in few years with the ChatGPT or other language large models will come to the point where everyone who wants to use technologies should be a programmer of high level programming language. And this is the highest programming language what we use today in this video, writing scripts for the computer to write script for the computer to solve the question or to make an application. And this is really historical moments for us as a humanity, also because this is the next informational revolution. Okay, so I wish you the best. If you want to ask something, or maybe you would like to have a personal course, maybe for your company or something else, just write in the comment. And soon subscribe, and soon you will see new videos of the course, and I will prepare a structure it for I think next 3-6 videos. Or you can also comment to this video with the topics you would like to see or questions you would like to have answers. And this is not only about programming software, it's about the programming the life. So we will talk and we will code a lot from our real life, a lot of models, including humans and humanity. So welcome to the new universe of information revolution.